The Secrets of Sexual Desire Unveiled. Written by Vahid Zekavati. Chapter 1: Understanding Sexual Desire. The Basics of Sexual Desire. Sexual desire is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human behavior that plays a crucial role in intimate relationships. Understanding the basics of sexual desire is essential for individuals and couples who are struggling with issues related to their sex life. In this subchapter, we will delve into the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind, exploring the factors that influence it and how it can impact relationships. At its core, sexual desire is a natural and instinctual urge that drives individuals to seek out physical and emotional intimacy with another person. It is influenced by a combination of biological, psychological, and social factors, making it a highly individualized experience. Some people may have a high level of sexual desire, while others may have a lower level, and this can vary over time and in different situations. One of the key factors that influence sexual desire is the level of attraction and arousal that individuals feel towards their partner. Physical appearance, personality traits, and emotional connection all play a role in determining how sexually desirable someone is to their partner. Communication and openness about desires and fantasies can also enhance sexual desire by fostering a sense of intimacy and trust between partners. Another important aspect of sexual desire is the role of hormones in regulating libido. Hormones such as testosterone and estrogen play a significant role in stimulating sexual desire and arousal, and imbalances in these hormones can lead to changes in libido. Understanding how hormones impact sexual desire can help individuals and couples address issues related to low libido and find ways to improve their sex life. In conclusion, sexual desire is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human behavior that plays a crucial role in intimate relationships. By understanding the basics of sexual desire and the factors that influence it, individuals and couples can work towards building a healthier and more satisfying sex life. Communication, openness, and a willingness to explore and experiment with different techniques and strategies can help couples overcome issues related to sexual desire and enhance their overall relationship satisfaction. The importance of sexual desire in relationships. Sexual desire plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship between couples. It is a natural and fundamental aspect of human nature that can strengthen the bond between partners. Understanding the importance of sexual desire in relationships is essential for couples who may be facing challenges in this area. By delving into the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind, couples can gain insights into how to navigate this aspect of their relationship more effectively. One of the key reasons why sexual desire is important in relationships is that it fosters intimacy and connection between partners. When couples engage in sexual activity, they are able to express their love and desire for each other in a physical and emotional way. This can help to deepen the bond between partners and create a sense of closeness and trust. Without sexual desire, couples may struggle to feel connected and may experience feelings of distance or disconnection in their relationship. Furthermore, sexual desire can also play a significant role in maintaining a healthy and satisfying sex life. When both partners feel desired and satisfied in the relationship, they are more likely to experience higher levels of fulfillment and happiness. This can lead to increased levels of overall satisfaction in the relationship and can help to strengthen the emotional connection between partners. By understanding the importance of sexual desire in relationships, couples can work towards creating a more fulfilling and satisfying sex life together. In addition to fostering intimacy and maintaining a healthy sex life, sexual desire can also help to promote overall relationship satisfaction. When partners feel desired and wanted by each other, they are more likely to feel valued and appreciated in the relationship. This can lead to increased levels of happiness and contentment, as well as a greater sense of security and stability within the relationship. By recognizing the importance of sexual desire in relationships, couples can work towards building a stronger and more fulfilling partnership. Ultimately, sexual desire is a vital component of any healthy and successful relationship. By understanding the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind, couples can gain valuable insights into how to navigate this aspect of their relationship more effectively. By fostering intimacy, maintaining a healthy sex life, and promoting overall relationship satisfaction, sexual desire can play a crucial role in creating a strong and fulfilling partnership between couples. Common misconceptions about sexual desire. In this subchapter, we will explore some of the common misconceptions about sexual desire that many people, especially couples, may have. It is important to address these misconceptions in order to have a better understanding of our own desires and those of our partners. One common misconception is that sexual desire should always be spontaneous and intense. While this may be the case for some individuals, for many people sexual desire is much more nuanced and can be influenced by a variety of factors such as stress, fatigue, or relationship dynamics. It is important to recognize that sexual desire can ebb and flow over time, and that this is completely normal. Another misconception is that sexual desire should always be focused solely on physical pleasure. While physical pleasure is certainly an important aspect of sexual desire, it is not the only factor at play. Emotional connection, intimacy, and feeling desired by one's partner can also play a significant role in shaping our desires. It is important for couples to communicate openly about what they each find fulfilling and satisfying in order to ensure that both partners feel valued and desired. Many people also mistakenly believe that sexual desire is solely driven by hormones or biological factors. While hormones do play a role in shaping our desires, they are not the only factor at play. Psychological and emotional factors, such as past experiences, beliefs, and relationship dynamics, can also have a significant impact on our desires. It is important to take a holistic approach to understanding sexual desire and to consider all of these factors when exploring our own desires and those of our partners. In conclusion, it is important for couples to challenge these common misconceptions about sexual desire in order to have a more fulfilling and satisfying sex life. By recognizing that sexual desire is complex and multifaceted, couples can work together to better understand and communicate their desires, leading to a deeper sense of intimacy and connection. By addressing these misconceptions and fostering open and honest communication, couples can cultivate a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. Chapter 2: The Psychology of Sexual Desire. The role of hormones in sexual desire. Hormones play a crucial role in the intricate dance of sexual desire within the human mind and body. These powerful chemicals act as messengers, signaling our bodies to become aroused and ready for intimacy. For people and couples struggling with issues surrounding sexual desire, understanding the role of hormones can provide valuable insights into their experiences. One of the key hormones involved in sexual desire is testosterone. Often thought of as a male hormone, testosterone is actually present in both men and women and plays a significant role in arousal and libido. When levels of testosterone are low, individuals may experience a decrease in sexual desire and drive. This can be particularly challenging for couples who are trying to navigate issues related to desire discrepancies. In addition to testosterone, other hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, and oxytocin also play important roles in sexual desire. Estrogen, for example, helps to regulate the menstrual cycle and can influence sexual desire and arousal. Progesterone, on the other hand, is involved in maintaining pregnancy and can impact libido. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, is released during intimate moments and helps to create feelings of bonding and connection. For couples experiencing challenges with sexual desire, it can be helpful to consult with a healthcare provider or therapist to explore potential hormonal imbalances. Blood tests can reveal important information about hormone levels and provide insight into possible causes for decreased desire. By addressing any underlying hormonal issues, couples can work towards enhancing their sexual connection and intimacy. Overall, understanding the role of hormones in sexual desire can empower individuals and couples to take control of their sexual health and well-being. By seeking support from healthcare professionals and engaging in open and honest communication with their partners, people can navigate challenges related to desire and cultivate a fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. Remember, you are not alone in your struggles with sexual desire, and there are resources available to help you along your journey towards greater intimacy and connection. The influence of past experiences on sexual desire. In the subchapter, The Influence of Past Experiences on Sexual Desire, from the book, The Secrets of Sexual Desire Unveiled, we delve into the complex interplay between our past experiences and our current sexual desires. For many people, past experiences can have a significant impact on their sexual desires, shaping their preferences, turn-ons, and even inhibitions. It's essential for individuals and couples to recognize the influence of past experiences on their sexual desires. Traumatic experiences, for example, can lead to sexual aversions or difficulties in intimacy. On the other hand, positive experiences can shape one's sexual preferences and fantasies. By understanding the roots of one's desires, individuals can begin to unpack and address any underlying issues that may be affecting their sexual satisfaction. The way we were raised and the messages we received about sex and sexuality can also play a significant role in shaping our sexual desires. Cultural and societal norms, as well as religious beliefs, can impact how we view our own sexuality and influence our desires. It's crucial for individuals to reflect on these influences and determine if they align with their authentic desires and values. For couples struggling with mismatched sexual desires, examining past experiences can provide valuable insights into the root of the issue. By exploring each partner's history and understanding how past experiences have shaped their desires, couples can work together to bridge the gap and find common ground. Communication, empathy, and a willingness to explore and understand each other's perspectives are key in navigating these sensitive and potentially challenging conversations. Ultimately, understanding the influence of past experiences on sexual desire can lead to greater self-awareness, acceptance, and intimacy. By acknowledging and addressing these influences, individuals and couples can work towards a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual connection. The journey towards understanding and embracing one's sexual desires is a deeply personal and transformative process that can lead to greater intimacy, pleasure, and connection in relationships. How emotions impact sexual desire. Emotions play a crucial role in shaping our sexual desires and experiences. In the realm of human sexuality, emotions are often the driving force behind our desires, fantasies, and behaviors. Understanding how emotions impact sexual desire is key to improving intimacy and satisfaction in relationships. One of the ways in which emotions influence sexual desire is through the concept of emotional intimacy. When we feel emotionally connected to our partner, our desire for them often intensifies. Emotional intimacy can create a sense of safety and trust, which can enhance sexual desire and lead to more fulfilling sexual experiences. Conversely, negative emotions such as stress, anxiety, and anger can have a detrimental effect on sexual desire. When we are feeling overwhelmed or emotionally drained, our libido may decrease, leading to a lack of interest in sex. It is important for couples to address and manage negative emotions in order to maintain a healthy level of sexual desire in their relationship. Another way in which emotions impact sexual desire is through the role of arousal. Emotions such as excitement, anticipation, and passion can enhance arousal and lead to heightened sexual desire. When we are feeling positive emotions towards our partner, our bodies respond by becoming more physically aroused, which can lead to a more intense and pleasurable sexual experience. Overall, understanding the intricate ways in which emotions impact sexual desire is essential for couples looking to improve their intimacy and satisfaction in the bedroom. By fostering emotional intimacy, managing negative emotions, and harnessing positive emotions, couples can enhance their sexual desire and create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. Embracing the role of emotions in sexual desire can lead to a deeper connection and a more satisfying sex life for both partners. Chapter 3: Factors Affecting Sexual Desire. Stress and sexual desire. Stress is a common factor that can greatly impact sexual desire in individuals, especially in couples. When faced with high levels of stress, the body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can suppress the production of testosterone, the hormone responsible for sexual desire. This can lead to a decrease in libido and hinder intimacy between partners. Understanding the relationship between stress and sexual desire is crucial for couples who are experiencing challenges in their sex life. It is important for couples to recognize the signs of stress and how it may be affecting their sexual desire. Chronic stress can lead to fatigue, irritability, and a lack of motivation, all of which can contribute to a decrease in sexual interest. By addressing the underlying causes of stress and finding healthy ways to manage it, couples can work towards improving their sexual relationship and reigniting their desire for one another. One of the most effective ways to combat the negative effects of stress on sexual desire is through communication and emotional support. Couples should openly discuss their feelings of stress and work together to find solutions that can help alleviate tension and promote relaxation. By creating a safe and understanding environment, partners can feel more comfortable expressing their desires and needs, ultimately strengthening their emotional connection and enhancing their sexual intimacy. In addition to open communication, couples can also explore relaxation techniques and stress-reducing activities that can help improve their sexual desire. Engaging in activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help calm the mind and body, reducing stress levels and increasing feelings of arousal. By incorporating these practices into their daily routine, couples can create a more harmonious and fulfilling sexual relationship. Overall, understanding the impact of stress on sexual desire is essential for couples who are looking to improve their intimacy and connection. By recognizing the signs of stress, communicating openly with one another, and incorporating relaxation techniques into their routine, couples can work towards overcoming the obstacles that may be hindering their sexual desire. With patience, understanding, and a willingness to address the root causes of stress, couples can unlock the secrets of sexual desire and strengthen their bond in the process. Communication and sexual desire. Communication plays a vital role in any relationship, especially when it comes to sexual desire. Many couples struggle with expressing their wants and needs in the bedroom, which can lead to misunderstandings and unmet expectations. By improving communication, partners can better understand each other's desires and work together to enhance their sexual experiences. One common issue that arises in relationships is mismatched sexual desires. It is important for couples to openly discuss their individual needs and preferences in order to find a balance that works for both parties. By communicating effectively, partners can avoid feelings of resentment or frustration and instead focus on finding solutions that satisfy both partners. In addition to discussing desires, it is also important for couples to communicate about boundaries and consent. Understanding each other's limits and respecting them is crucial for building trust and maintaining a healthy sexual relationship. By openly discussing boundaries, couples can create a safe and comfortable environment where both partners feel respected and valued. Furthermore, communication can help couples explore new fantasies and desires together. By sharing their innermost thoughts and desires with each other, partners can deepen their connection and create a sense of intimacy that goes beyond physical pleasure. By being open and honest with each other, couples can create a space where they feel free to express themselves without fear of judgment. Overall, communication is the key to unlocking the secrets of sexual desire in any relationship. By fostering open and honest communication, couples can navigate the complexities of sexual desire and create a fulfilling and satisfying intimate connection. By being willing to listen, understand, and communicate with each other, partners can build a strong foundation for a healthy and passionate relationship. Body image and sexual desire. Body image plays a significant role in shaping our sexual desires and preferences. For many people, feeling confident and comfortable in their own skin is key to experiencing a fulfilling and satisfying sex life. When individuals struggle with negative body image, it can have a detrimental impact on their sexual desire and overall enjoyment of intimacy with their partner. It is important for couples to communicate openly about their body image insecurities and work together to support each other in feeling accepted and desired. Insecurities about body image can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt, which can hinder sexual desire and performance. It is essential for individuals to practice self-compassion and self-love in order to overcome these negative thoughts and beliefs. By cultivating a positive body image and embracing one's unique physicality, individuals can enhance their sexual desire and satisfaction with their partner. For couples struggling with body image issues, it is important to engage in open and honest conversations about their insecurities and fears. By addressing these concerns together, couples can work towards building a stronger and more intimate connection that is not solely based on physical appearance. It is crucial for partners to support each other in feeling accepted and valued for who they are, rather than focusing on superficial ideals of beauty. Exploring and understanding the root causes of body image issues can also help individuals and couples navigate their sexual desires more effectively. By seeking therapy or counseling, individuals can work through past traumas or societal pressures that may be contributing to their negative body image. By addressing these underlying issues, individuals can develop a healthier relationship with their bodies and enhance their sexual desire and satisfaction. In conclusion, body image and sexual desire are deeply interconnected aspects of human experience. By embracing self-love and acceptance, individuals can cultivate a positive body image that enhances their sexual desire and enjoyment of intimacy with their partner. Couples who communicate openly and support each other in overcoming body image insecurities can build a stronger and more fulfilling relationship that is based on mutual respect and acceptance. It is crucial for individuals and couples to prioritize their mental and emotional well-being in order to experience a healthy and satisfying sex life. Chapter 4: Enhancing Sexual Desire in Relationships. Building intimacy to increase sexual desire. Building intimacy is essential in increasing sexual desire between couples. Intimacy is the foundation of a healthy and fulfilling relationship, and it plays a significant role in igniting passion and desire in the bedroom. When two people feel emotionally connected and close to each other, it can lead to a more satisfying and pleasurable sexual experience. One way to build intimacy is through open and honest communication. Couples should feel comfortable discussing their desires, fantasies, and boundaries with each other. By being transparent and vulnerable with one another, they can deepen their emotional connection and create a safe space for intimacy to flourish. Another important aspect of building intimacy is spending quality time together. This can involve engaging in activities that both partners enjoy, such as taking walks, cooking together, or simply cuddling on the couch. By investing time and effort into nurturing their relationship, couples can strengthen their bond and increase their overall satisfaction with each other. Physical touch is also a powerful way to build intimacy and increase sexual desire. Simple gestures like holding hands, hugging, or kissing can help couples feel more connected and desired by their partner. Physical intimacy can create a sense of closeness and passion that can enhance the sexual experience and reignite the spark in the relationship. In conclusion, building intimacy is crucial in increasing sexual desire between couples. By fostering open communication, spending quality time together, and engaging in physical touch, partners can deepen their emotional connection and create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. It is important for couples to prioritize intimacy in their relationship in order to maintain a strong connection and keep the flame of desire burning bright. Exploring fantasies and desires with your partner. Exploring fantasies and desires with your partner can be a deeply intimate and fulfilling experience for couples looking to spice up their sex life and reignite the passion in their relationship. It is important to remember that exploring fantasies and desires should be a consensual and respectful process, where both partners feel comfortable and safe expressing their deepest desires. One of the first steps in exploring fantasies and desires with your partner is open and honest communication. This means being vulnerable and sharing your innermost thoughts and desires with your partner without fear of judgment or rejection. Start by discussing your individual fantasies and desires, and then work together to find common ground and explore new avenues for pleasure. It is also important to set boundaries and establish a safe word or signal that either partner can use to indicate when they are uncomfortable or want to stop. Respect for each other's boundaries is crucial in any sexual relationship, and exploring fantasies and desires should be a positive and enjoyable experience for both partners. Experimenting with different fantasies and desires can help couples discover new aspects of their sexuality and deepen their connection with each other. From role-playing scenarios to trying out new positions or incorporating sex toys, there are endless possibilities for exploring fantasies and desires with your partner. Remember that exploring fantasies and desires with your partner is a journey of self-discovery and mutual exploration. Embrace the opportunity to connect on a deeper level with your partner and unlock new levels of pleasure and intimacy in your relationship. By opening up and sharing your desires with each other, you can create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual connection that will strengthen your bond and reignite the passion in your relationship. Techniques for reigniting sexual desire in long-term relationships. In long-term relationships, it is common for sexual desire to wane over time. This can be due to a variety of factors such as stress, fatigue, or simply becoming too comfortable with your partner. However, it is important to remember that sexual desire is a natural and normal part of any relationship, and there are techniques that can help reignite that spark. One technique for reigniting sexual desire in a long-term relationship is to prioritize intimacy. This can include setting aside dedicated time for each other without any distractions, such as phones or television. By focusing on each other and reconnecting on a deeper level, you can help to reignite that passion and desire for one another. Another technique is to try new things in the bedroom. Over time, couples can fall into a routine when it comes to sex, which can lead to a decrease in desire. By exploring new positions, fantasies, or even introducing toys or role-playing, you can help to spice things up and bring back that excitement and passion. Communication is also key when it comes to reigniting sexual desire in a long-term relationship. It is important to talk openly and honestly with your partner about your desires, fantasies, and any concerns you may have. By discussing these things, you can work together to find new ways to enhance your sexual relationship and bring back that desire. One final technique for reigniting sexual desire in a long-term relationship is to focus on self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally can help to boost your confidence and overall well-being, which can in turn increase your desire for your partner. This can include exercise, self-reflection, or even seeking therapy or counseling if needed. Overall, it is important to remember that sexual desire is a normal and natural part of any relationship, and it is possible to reignite that spark in a long-term partnership. By prioritizing intimacy, trying new things, communicating openly, and focusing on self-care, you can work together with your partner to enhance your sexual relationship and bring back that passion and desire for one another. Chapter 5: Overcoming Challenges in Sexual Desire. Dealing with mismatched libidos. Dealing with mismatched libidos can be a challenging issue for many couples. In a relationship, it is common for partners to have differing levels of sexual desire. This can lead to frustration, resentment, and feelings of inadequacy on both sides. However, it is important to remember that having mismatched libidos does not mean that there is something wrong with either partner. It is simply a natural difference that many couples face. One of the key factors in dealing with mismatched libidos is communication. It is crucial for partners to openly discuss their feelings and desires with each other in a non-judgmental and understanding way. By sharing their thoughts and emotions, couples can work together to find a solution that works for both of them. This may involve compromising, trying new things, or seeking help from a therapist or sex counselor. Another important aspect of dealing with mismatched libidos is understanding that sexual desire is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. It is influenced by a variety of factors, including physical, emotional, and psychological aspects. By exploring the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind, couples can gain a better understanding of their own desires and the desires of their partner. This can help them find common ground and create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. It is also important for couples to remember that sexual desire can fluctuate over time. Just because one partner has a higher or lower libido at a certain point in their relationship does not mean that it will always be that way. By being patient, understanding, and flexible, couples can navigate the ups and downs of sexual desire together and find ways to keep their intimacy alive and thriving. In conclusion, dealing with mismatched libidos is a common challenge that many couples face. By communicating openly, exploring the complexities of sexual desire, and being patient and understanding, couples can overcome this issue and create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to sexual desire, but with mutual respect and effort, couples can find a way to meet each other's needs and strengthen their bond. Addressing sexual dysfunction in relationships. Sexual dysfunction in relationships is a common issue that many couples face, but it is often not talked about openly. In this subchapter, we will explore the various aspects of sexual dysfunction and how it can impact relationships. It is important to address these issues in order to foster a healthy and fulfilling sexual relationship with your partner. One of the first steps in addressing sexual dysfunction is to understand the root cause of the problem. Sexual dysfunction can be caused by a variety of factors, including physical health issues, psychological issues, or relationship problems. By identifying the underlying cause of the dysfunction, couples can work together to find solutions that work for both partners. Communication is key when it comes to addressing sexual dysfunction in relationships. It is important for partners to openly discuss their feelings and desires with each other in a non-judgmental and supportive manner. By talking openly about their sexual desires and concerns, couples can work together to find solutions that meet both of their needs. Seeking professional help is another important step in addressing sexual dysfunction in relationships. A therapist or sex therapist can provide couples with the tools and strategies they need to overcome their sexual dysfunction and improve their intimacy. These professionals can also help couples work through any underlying issues that may be contributing to their sexual dysfunction. Overall, addressing sexual dysfunction in relationships requires openness, communication, and a willingness to seek help when needed. By working together to identify the root causes of the dysfunction and finding solutions that work for both partners, couples can overcome their sexual issues and strengthen their relationship. Remember, it is okay to seek help and support when dealing with sexual dysfunction. You are not alone in this journey. Seeking professional help for sexual desire issues. In the journey of understanding and exploring sexual desire, it is important to recognize when professional help may be necessary. Seeking help from a trained therapist or counselor can provide invaluable support and guidance for individuals and couples dealing with issues related to sexual desire. These professionals have the knowledge and expertise to help navigate the complexities of sexual desire and address any underlying issues that may be contributing to difficulties in this area. One of the first steps in seeking professional help for sexual desire issues is to find a therapist or counselor who specializes in this area. It is important to work with someone who is experienced in dealing with sexual issues and who can create a safe and non-judgmental space for open and honest communication. A therapist or counselor can help individuals and couples explore their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors related to sexual desire, and work towards finding solutions that work for them. Therapy can be a valuable tool for addressing a wide range of sexual desire issues, including low libido, mismatched desires between partners, performance anxiety, and past traumas or experiences that may be affecting current sexual functioning. Through therapy, individuals and couples can gain insight into the root causes of their sexual desire issues and learn techniques for improving communication, intimacy, and connection in their relationships. In addition to individual or couples therapy, there are also specialized programs and workshops available that focus specifically on sexual desire and intimacy. These programs can provide a supportive and educational environment for individuals and couples to explore their sexual desires, learn new skills, and deepen their connection with each other. Participating in these programs can be a powerful way to address sexual desire issues and enhance overall satisfaction and fulfillment in relationships. Overall, seeking professional help for sexual desire issues can be a transformative and empowering experience for individuals and couples. By working with a trained therapist or counselor, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of their own desires and needs, improve communication and intimacy in their relationships, and ultimately create a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual life. It is never too late to seek help and take steps towards unlocking the secrets of sexual desire. Chapter 6: Maintaining Healthy Sexual Desire. The importance of self-care in sexual desire. Sexual desire is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human psychology that can be influenced by a variety of factors. One important aspect of sexual desire that is often overlooked is the role of self-care. Self-care refers to the practice of taking care of oneself physically, emotionally, and mentally in order to maintain overall well-being and health. When it comes to sexual desire, self-care plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy and fulfilling sex life. One of the key reasons why self-care is important in sexual desire is that it helps to build self-confidence and self-esteem. When individuals take care of themselves and prioritize their own well-being, they are more likely to feel good about themselves and their bodies. This increased sense of self-worth can have a positive impact on sexual desire, as individuals who feel confident and comfortable in their own skin are more likely to feel desire and arousal. Additionally, self-care can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which are common barriers to sexual desire. When individuals are stressed or anxious, it can be difficult for them to relax and enjoy intimacy with their partners. By practicing self-care techniques such as exercise, meditation, and self-care routines, individuals can reduce their stress levels and create a more conducive environment for sexual desire to flourish. Another important aspect of self-care in sexual desire is the importance of communication and emotional intimacy. When individuals take the time to care for themselves and prioritize their own needs, they are better able to communicate with their partners about their desires and preferences. This open and honest communication can help to strengthen emotional intimacy and create a deeper connection between partners, which in turn can lead to increased sexual desire. In conclusion, self-care is a crucial aspect of maintaining and enhancing sexual desire. By prioritizing their own well-being and taking care of themselves physically, emotionally, and mentally, individuals can build self-confidence, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve communication and emotional intimacy with their partners. By incorporating self-care practices into their daily routines, individuals and couples can create a healthier and more fulfilling sex life. Strategies for keeping the spark alive in a relationship. Maintaining a strong and healthy relationship requires effort and dedication, especially when it comes to keeping the spark alive in the bedroom. In this subchapter, we will explore some strategies for reigniting the passion and desire in your relationship. By understanding the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind, you can take proactive steps to enhance intimacy and connection with your partner. One key strategy for keeping the spark alive in a relationship is communication. Open and honest communication about your desires, preferences, and boundaries is essential for a fulfilling and satisfying sex life. By discussing your needs and wants with your partner, you can create a safe and supportive environment where both of you feel comfortable exploring new experiences and fantasies. Another important strategy for maintaining sexual desire in a relationship is to prioritize intimacy and connection. Making time for each other, expressing affection, and engaging in activities that strengthen your bond can help reignite the passion between you and your partner. Whether it's cuddling on the couch, sharing a romantic dinner, or taking a weekend getaway, finding ways to connect on a deeper level can enhance your sexual desire and keep the flame burning bright. Exploring new and exciting experiences together can also help keep the spark alive in your relationship. Trying new things in the bedroom, such as role-playing, experimenting with different positions, or introducing sex toys, can add novelty and excitement to your sex life. By stepping outside of your comfort zone and exploring new avenues of pleasure with your partner, you can reignite the passion and desire in your relationship. Lastly, it's important to remember that sexual desire ebbs and flows in all relationships. It's normal to experience periods of high and low libido, and it's essential to be patient and understanding with yourself and your partner during these times. By practicing self-care, maintaining open communication, and prioritizing intimacy, you can navigate through the ups and downs of sexual desire and keep the spark alive in your relationship for years to come. Embracing changes in sexual desire over time. As we navigate through the ups and downs of life, it is only natural for our sexual desires to ebb and flow. It is important for individuals and couples to understand that changes in sexual desire over time are not only normal but also a common experience for many. In this subchapter, we will explore the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind and provide insights on how to embrace these changes with grace and understanding. One of the key factors that influence changes in sexual desire over time is the natural progression of relationships. As couples grow and evolve together, their sexual needs and desires may also shift. It is important for partners to communicate openly and honestly about their changing desires and to actively work together to find new ways to connect and satisfy each other. Another factor that can impact sexual desire over time is individual growth and personal development. As we mature and gain new life experiences, our sexual preferences and desires may evolve. It is essential for individuals to embrace these changes and to communicate them effectively with their partners in order to maintain a healthy and fulfilling sexual relationship. Moreover, external factors such as stress, health issues, and life transitions can also play a significant role in influencing sexual desire. It is important for individuals and couples to recognize when these external factors are affecting their sex life and to take proactive steps to address them. Seeking support from a therapist or counselor can be beneficial in navigating through these challenges and finding solutions that work for both partners. In conclusion, embracing changes in sexual desire over time is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy and fulfilling sexual relationship. By acknowledging and understanding the intricacies of sexual desire in the human mind, individuals and couples can work together to navigate through these changes with compassion, communication, and mutual respect. Remember, it is normal for sexual desires to fluctuate, and it is through open and honest communication that couples can find new ways to connect and satisfy each other. Chapter 7. Conclusion. Reflecting on your own sexual desire. Reflecting on your own sexual desire can be a powerful tool in understanding and enhancing your intimate relationships. Many couples struggle with issues surrounding sexual desire, whether it be differences in libido, lack of communication, or simply feeling disconnected from their partner. By taking the time to reflect on your own desires and needs, you can begin to understand what truly turns you on and how to effectively communicate that with your partner. One of the first steps in reflecting on your own sexual desire is to understand the difference between spontaneous and responsive desire. Spontaneous desire is when you feel a sudden urge or craving for sexual activity, while responsive desire is when you become aroused in response to stimuli, such as physical touch or emotional connection. By recognizing which type of desire resonates with you, you can better communicate your needs with your partner and work towards a more fulfilling sex life. It's also important to reflect on any underlying factors that may be affecting your sexual desire. Stress, relationship issues, past traumas, and hormonal imbalances can all play a role in dampening your libido. By identifying and addressing these issues, you can begin to work towards a healthier and more satisfying sex life. Another aspect to consider when reflecting on your own sexual desire is exploring your fantasies and preferences. What turns you on? What are your deepest desires and fantasies? By being open and honest with yourself about what truly excites you, you can begin to share these fantasies with your partner and explore new avenues of pleasure together. Ultimately, reflecting on your own sexual desire is a journey of self-discovery and growth. By taking the time to understand your own desires and needs, you can begin to cultivate a more fulfilling and intimate connection with your partner. Communication is key in any relationship, especially when it comes to matters of sexual desire. By being open, honest, and vulnerable with your partner, you can work together to create a more satisfying and passionate sex life. Moving forward with a better understanding of sexual desire. Understanding sexual desire is a complex and multifaceted topic that can often be challenging for individuals and couples to navigate. In order to move forward with a better understanding of sexual desire, it is important to first acknowledge and accept the intricacies of this aspect of human psychology. Sexual desire is a natural and normal part of the human experience, and it can manifest in a variety of ways for different individuals. One key aspect of understanding sexual desire is recognizing that it is a dynamic and ever-evolving phenomenon. What may have sparked desire in the past may not necessarily have the same effect in the present, and it is important for individuals and couples to be open to exploring new avenues of sexual expression. By remaining curious and open-minded, individuals can continue to deepen their understanding of their own desires and preferences. Communication is another crucial component of moving forward with a better understanding of sexual desire. In order to foster a healthy and fulfilling sexual relationship, it is essential for individuals and couples to communicate openly and honestly about their desires, boundaries, and fantasies. By creating a safe and non-judgmental space for discussion, couples can work together to explore and understand each other's desires more fully. It is also important for individuals and couples to recognize that sexual desire is not solely physical in nature. Psychological, emotional, and relational factors can all play a role in shaping our desires, and it is important to consider these aspects when seeking to better understand our own desires and those of our partners. By taking a holistic approach to understanding sexual desire, individuals and couples can gain a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of this complex phenomenon. Ultimately, moving forward with a better understanding of sexual desire requires a willingness to engage in self-reflection, exploration, and open communication. By approaching sexual desire with curiosity, compassion, and an open mind, individuals and couples can deepen their connection with themselves and each other, leading to a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual relationship. Thank you for reading this book to the end. Vahid Zekavati.